what's up, guys? The rain was starting, but not anymore. It stopped. So look at this nice little water. Hold on. Wacky slice. You guys, can you guys see it? Yeah, you can't see it. She's splashing.
Bring the scooter more over here.
Come on. Like that? I'm just chilling at the sky. The scooter's right here. We were using it. So, there you go. Enjoy the worst cloud. I feel like it's about to rain already. Bro.
Twinkle, twinkle,
Little world.
Caca? Look, he said caca. He said caca.
Apple sky up so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Twinkle, twinkle, how McDonald's have a farm. E-I-E-I-O. They're home McDonald's.
Go round and round, round and round.
My brother's over here. Right there.
Hey, there's no more
rain.
no more puddles.
I want it to rain more. The puddles are going smaller. Roar. Roar. I finished my juice. Ooh, eat my balls. Ooh, eat my balls. It rules hurt. You eat. Goodbye, guys.